Okay, Wing Rider, Suwannee River State Park. I'm walking I think it's called Sand Hill Trail, and I just came across the cemetery here at Sand Hill Trail. See, Thomas E. Swift, born 1951. No. Yeah, born 1851, died July 1893. Ooh. Husband of Amanda Smith. This is an old one, but this is inside Suwannee River State Park, so wow, that's been a while. Died, born 10 years before the Civil War started. Little bench here. Now I'll walk on over here. This is some more of the trail that walks by this cemetery, and let's see some more of what we have here. Racina C., daughter of George, Amanda Brivaldo. Boy, that's an old one. You can't see the date on it anymore. There's a penny on top of it. I'm not going to bother that. I don't know what the penny is supposed to be for. And then in here, here's a bunch more. You can't really see them, the dates on there, like I can't tell on there. It says something about 1850. Died 1850 maybe. Then there's more that are just not legible at all. And there's one over here. I can't tell. I'm looking. It's just too hard to tell. May 26, 1862. I see the date on there. Near Columbus. I can't really tell much other than that. Age, it's hard to see. Here's one that's probably a little bit easier to see. Sarah C. I can't make that out. And then it's got May 1802, I think. And then it's some scriptures on there. And here's one, Spencer, sacred to the memory of W. Tyson Spencer, son of J, B, and Sarah, who died at sunny Sedalia, August 11th, 1865. Age, months, 17 days. Oh, wait. Aged something, months and 17 days. Well, they got that right down. I can't see it. Aged 8 months and 17 days. I don't know, it looks something like that. So he died around the time of the Civil War, which ended April 9th, 1865, if my memory's correct. April 9th, 1865. There's some more over here. Are those metal, cast iron? Some of them are, I think. Wow. I mean, these go back. These go way, way, way back. Here's one. Can't really tell much about that. Died 1896, 39 years of age. And then, like I say, there's more in here. Jackson Cannon. November 24, 1916. I think that's when he died. Rosa H. Stokes. February 1884. February 15th, 1973. I guess that's when they passed. 1973. And Rosa Cannon Harris, 1910 to 1935. This one's cannon over here as well. There's a cannon back there, baby cannon, 1906. Died December 16th, July 1908. Died December 16th, 1908. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to finish walking this trail. It goes right back into where I started. And then I'm going to go walk that other trail. Here's where this talks about Old Columbus Cemetery. This cemetery served Columbus, thriving town of 500 people during the mid-1800s. A portion of the town was located in the vicinity of the Confederate earthworks in the park. Whatever the Confederate earthworks was. Anyway, I'm going to kill this one. This is Wing Rider. Oh, that's a bad word to say when you're standing next to a cemetery. This is Wing Rider. Like, subscribe, watch some more videos. I got quite a few of them, and they're nothing fancy. I just enjoyed doing them. So I'll pick this up at the next trail. Until then, Wing Rider.